liter turbo engine for the Infiniti Q50 and 60 is a great value proposition for car enthusiasts. The introduction of a turbo means these cars stand to gain a lot with a little tuning. Today we tuned this Q60 Redsport with aftermarket downpipes and exhausts using the ECUTEK platform with Sasha at OnPoint Dyno.
Alright, so we just finished up with this Infiniti Q60 Redsport. This car has a little bit of exhaust work done to it as well, but over the stock tune we gained like 125 pound-feet of torque in the middle. Peak-to-peak power is up like 75 horsepower, 65 horsepower, sorry. So peak numbers like 430 wheel and like it's 470 pound-feet of torque broadly across the mid-range. So super impressive gains, equal to tuning a Subaru. Basically, you throw an exhaust in this thing and tune, and it's in a whole different category. So really pretty cool car. ECUTEK did a really good job with them too. Fully took over the boost control, fully took over the ignition control, so really straightforward to tune. And yeah, if you got a Q60 or even a standard Q50, tune time.
As we can see by the dyno numbers, with minimal upgrades and a custom tune, there's a ton of potential available for the Q50 and Q60 vehicles. The new 3-liter platform is already making a splash in the market with new parts coming out regularly.